Welcome to number 6 on our top 30 DIY projects. Let me start by saying mudrooms don't have to be boring, even though most are. They can be functional and look good too. I know that sounds weird, but let me show you today's project. The idea here is you can build this on any blank wall you have access to. This DIY project gives you a shelf for art, a place to hang jackets, a bench, and shoe storage all in one shot. I know to most this might look like a bigger, more expert project, but when you actually look at the step-by-step of how this is done, I think you'll find it's much more in your wheelhouse than you might think. Give it a shot and see how much this project can make your house that much more efficient. This is also one of those things that we believe builds really good sweat equity into the value of your home. Can never go wrong there. Buyers love these kind of things. Thanks for watching. And check in next episode where we look at another value add, customizing your interior doors. We'll see you then.